also click the like button if you do like it. This entire channel lives on likes. This channel is like the gasoline for the car is likes. The fuel for the fire is likes. So pretty much this channel survives on likes because likes help out the algorithm. So hit that like here, and then any other video that you enjoy, definitely remember to hit that like, please. It takes 2 seconds to do that. Go over here, and I'm gonna draw little thin lines over here on the leg to show maybe like some folding skin, like there. Maybe over here in the front of the leg, right? Little curve, right? Over here on the armpit, right? Same thing. And over here, maybe the front of the armpit, and maybe along the neck. But they're thinner lines. Over here in the back of the knee, they're thinner lines, and what that does is, basically, thinner is, you know, over here like calf muscle. Thinner really registers as detail. And so that's why thinner lines are like, they're meant to be secondary. You can kind of almost put them anywhere, but you just kind of have to think about it logically. Like if this tail is bending, there might be a little like, you know, bend right here. If there's the armpit, they're gonna have a little bend right there, etc. And yeah, you know, that's just the way it is. All right, that is it. That is Gallimimus. I want to thank you very much. Don't forget to stick around. A couple of announcements. Number one, I have a coloring book out called Sushi Cats. Go check that out. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Also, say hi to me in the comments section if you can hear me right now, and I will reply to every single comment. Okay, challenge me. I will reply to every single comment. That is it. Stick around for the announcement. I'm going to talk about my full entire lessons. Talk to you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.